Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin has denied claims that Bersatu held discussions with Umno and PAS on forming a new grand collaboration to unite the Malays. However, the Bersatu president said the party remains open to hearing Umno President Datuk Seri Dr. Ahmad Zahid Hamidi's proposal through official party channels. Muhyiddin stressed that Bersatu had never given any of its leaders a mandate to negotiate with UMNO, nor had the matter been discussed at the party's Supreme Leadership Council. He added that Bersatu would adopt an open stance and consider any proposal from Zahid once clearer details are provided. Muhyiddin's remarks follow UMNO President Ahmad Zahid's confirmation that he met several leaders from PAS and Bersatu to discuss uniting Malay-based parties through a grand collaboration.
Harus berada dalam satu bumbung yang sama.